Good evening, student. Welcome back to our online session. In today's session, I am going to explain you about the topics which we have left in the previous classes. So we talk about losses in the fiber. Even we talk about the different types of losses, and even we have seen what is the attenuation. So these are all concepts we have covered in the previous session. So basically, students, what is the losses in optical fiber? Those are absorption losses you get, relay scattering losses you will get, radiation losses you will get, and coupling losses you will get, right? Absorption losses, why, what you will get the absorption losses, how it is going to work, because due to the impurities which we are adding in the optical fiber material, we have seen this graph as well in the previous class. It is completely depends upon the loss versus wavelength. So when we take a wavelength in micrometer and we just want to see the loss, how much it's going to get that, so it is going to explain with the help of this particular graph over here, and we are going to see the functionality of it, how it is going to work on it. So these all things we have covered in the previous session as well. Because of the passage of OH minus ion, you will get the peaks in the graph and you will get the losses. Because of that only, you will have the ultraviolet absorption, you have infrared absorption. Because of all these parameters, you will get the losses, right? So absorption losses is typically with the help of graph we have explained it, and we have just shown you how it is going to work on it and what are the parameters. It's going to depend on that. Based on all the parameters, it's going to use it and is going to function based upon that, right? So these are the losses we do have, students, based upon the attenuation. So basically, what is attenuation, students? So it is attenuation means what? Loss of light energy as the light pulses travel from one end of the cable to the other end of the cable, right? So light energy needs to pass from one end to another end. That's the reason we can send the transmitter, we send the information from the transmitter, and we will get the information at the receiver. So it also called as signal loss or fiber loss. It also decides the number of repeaters what actually we require